How to disable Instagram calls. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to go to the Instagram setting. So tap and hold on the app icon of Instagram. Now a small menu will appear. From that, go to I option at the bottom. Now here in app info of Instagram, go to permission. Make sure the permission like microphone is not allowed. Click on it and click on don't allow. Again go to call and there too make sure the permission of phone and call logs are not allowed. After you have made these changes for your Instagram application, you will be able to disable the call feature for the application. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.